Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 18 plate Range Rover Velar. Now this is an R Dynamic, so you get the full exterior sports body kit. Fantastic specification on this vehicle, so obviously finished in Yulong white, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Then we've got a full exterior black package, so this lovely white on black look. So I've got black accents on the lettering, so the Range Rover lettering, the centre grille, your lower splitter, the side mouldings, your bonnet vents, side vents, mirror caps, all your window surrounds, and then the lower environment of the vehicle as well. We're riding on these lovely 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, all four alloys in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. Looking down the side of the car, you'll struggle to find any sort of dents or dings. This is a truly lovely and well cared for example. Coming through to the back then, we've got the Range Rover lettering, we've got the D180, this is the 180 brake horsepower vehicle, powered through the silky smooth 8-speed box. Electric tailgate, so just press of a button that glides up. We've got our parcel shelf, we've got split folding rear seats, we've got a 12-volt power outlet in the back here, and then if we look under there, you'll find a space saver spur wheel with all the kit to change it. Reversing camera, obviously privacy glass to the rear. We've got this lovely panoramic glass roof which is opening, which is a lovely feature. So externally wise, the white on black, the bigger wheels, the lovely Pan-Am roof, it looks a stunning car. And then inside, we've got an ebony black part perforated leather. We've got suede cloth on the bolsters, which is a fantastic idea. Obviously this is where you tend to get most of your work getting in and out of the vehicle, but as you can tell, those are in fantastic order. We've got this contrasting white stitch all throughout the vehicle, so on the seats that follows through onto your central armrests and then through to the back seats as well. So in the rear, it looks like it's been very frugally used. So we've got a central armrest there, we'll just pull this down. That's got two cup holders there. We've got Isofix in the bottom, we've got 3 seat belts, rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning, 12-volt power outlet, and then looking at the backs of the front seats, they're in nice order. We've got these lovely silver panels in the door cards, lovely brushed aluminium detailing on the door cards as well. That's thank you to the Meridian Surround Sound System. We've got 3-way memory sport seats for the driver, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with your partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button and that will fully adjust the seat to exactly how you like it. Park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear. And then if we jump inside, I'll show you through some of the lovely specification. So we'll close the door. I'll just pull the seat back a smidge just so you can get a full appreciation of the cabin. So once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. We've got this lovely silver band, part perforated. We've got these nice little gloss black inserts. Now this actually changes as well, so when you go through the menu, it'll change the menu on there. So as you can see, menu, and then you can go through all the display. Now this has got the digital cockpit, which is a fantastic option to have. So this is fully customizable, so you can get your satellite navigation on there, which is very easy to follow. So you can adjust the display layout. If we turn that off, that will bring us back to the main display. You've got your vehicle information, trip computer. You've got all your driver assistance, so collision assistance, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, vehicle information, so your tyre pressures and etc. But a very smart car. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 37,685 miles. Now we've got our limiter on the steering wheel there. We've got flappy paddles allowing us to drive the car manually. We've got automatic wipers, automatic lights, full onboard computer on the edge of the stalk. We've got our electric handbrake and manual boot opening. And then if we come through to the center display, we'll just tilt the screen a smidge just so we can see it better. There we go. So this is fully customizable, so when you go through to the side, you can customize this page to exactly the way you want it. We've got our navigation, which is nice and easy to follow, very responsive. We've got our media, so obviously this is your DAB. You've got Bluetooth music with all your music streaming. We've got web browser, live, camera, so obviously as soon as you flick it into reverse, camera pops up like so. You've got the guidance lines there which move when you turn the wheel. Clicking back through, valet mode, Bluetooth, in control, applications, that's all found on there. The whole system is very nice and easy to use. Takes a bit of time to get used to it. You can change the whole theme, so it's currently in the dark theme. If you want it a lot lighter, you can change it so it's a lot brighter and lighter. You can change the angle of the screen as well, so depending on how tall you are, easier to view the screen. Coming down, you'll find a secondary screen. Now this is for your vehicle drive select, so you've got grass, gravel, snow, all-terrain, road, eco. Clicking through to settings, seats, so you've got heated front seats on this one, and your climate control settings are on there as well. So if we turn the climate on, you can adjust the blower speed where you want it to blow, etc. Center scroll wheel for the gearbox, central cup holder, more storage there, central armrests, individual for driver and passenger. We've got 2 USB ports, HDMI, 12 volt power outlet and a SIM card input. Looking then through to the roof, obviously this opens, closes just like so, and then you've also got the blind as well, so if you're parking up on a hot summer's day you can close this up so the sun's not beaming on your black leather seats. But a lovely vehicle. If you'd like any further information, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.